Hi, my name's Stuart Caldwell. I'm with MarineMax here in Beaufort, Georgia. Today we're going to take a look at our 19 SPX. This particular boat has a swim platform on the back. You also have your swim ladder. We also have a large sun platform here on the back. We have the sea decking to the entrance of the boat. This particular boat comes with the dune interior. We have two captain's chairs as well as a large bench back here in the back. You have a nice sized glove compartment to keep things dry, such as wallets and cell phones. You have your standard electronics package on the front with the gauges for the RPMs, gas, and you have your Fusion stereo. Up front you have additional room for additional passengers as well as an anchor locker. Please come by and see us here at MarineMax. We're located at 5800 Lanier Islands Parkway, and take a look at one of these boats in person.